everybody, it's Misty from Missouri Star Quilt Company. I hope you're enjoying our online birthday bash. Up next, as part of the festivities, we have a great video from Amy Marson at C&T Publishing, and she is going to dive into how to use a color wheel when designing your quilts. This is Joan Wolfram's Essential Color Wheel Companion, and Amy's going to teach you all about it.
Hi, my name's Amy Marson and I'm the publisher at C&T Publishing, and today I'm excited to talk to you about the Joan Wolfram's Essential Color Wheel Companion. So I've talked to you before about the Ultimate 3-in-1 color tool and the Studio Color Wheel poster. So let me tell you what's special about the Essential Color Wheel Companion. So what you want to do with the Color Wheel Companion is you start off by selecting a color. So in this case, we are going to take a look at the orange-red. And on the orange-red, what you'll notice is there are 4 color families. The first color family is Complementary. The second is the split complementary, so you see one color and then the analogous colors on the other side. This is the Analogous color family, and this is the Triadic color family. What you'll notice here is at the end on what we call petals is the pure color, and here in the center is the pure color. So when you're looking at this, you can see what colors to choose. Every color has a number. So as an example and I'm going to turn this over so you can see the other side, but let's remember 20, 12, and 4. So when I turn it over, I've got 20 here, and that's an orange-red. So I've picked out a fabric that has orange-red, and you can see it down here in the shades. So when you're looking at one of the color wedges, what you're going to notice is there's white on this side, and those are the tints. So they have white added to the pure color. On this other side, they are shades, and they've had gray added to the pure color. And you can see it down here as well. And once again, pure color here, pure color there. So we're starting with the orange-red, and we are going to find 2 other colors that go with it. So then we were looking for 4, which has our spring green in here, and then the other one I believe was 12, and that's our blue violet. So we look at those 3 colors together, and that is our Triadic color family. And you'll see when you put those 3 colors together, they're harmonious and they work really well together. So that's the Triadic color family. Next, we are going to look at our complementary. And so what we've got here is our yellow-green, and across from it is our purple. And you can see how those 2 go together, and those are complementary. And once again, you put them side by side, and the colors sing and dance off each other. The third color family I'm going to talk about is Analogous. And Analogous is when you've got your colors that are next to each other. So here you can see we're starting with the yellow-green, and then we're going into some of the aquas and the blues. And you can see how nicely those all go together. So you take a set of colors that are close to each other on the color wheel, and by putting them together you create a more harmonious look, and it's not quite so vibrant. Another example of the Analogous color family, I happen to love batiks, is right here with this batik color. So you can see we go from the blue into the blue violet, and then the violet, and then even a little bit, not so much red violet, but just these 3, and that's Analogous as well. So then once again you have a beautiful, nice, harmonious color family. So this product is great to take with you to class, to the fabric store when you're shopping, and it has this little petal, and you can just set your color right underneath it and decide if you think that that color is what you want to have for your project. So take a look at the Essential Color Wheel Companion from Joan Wolfram and let me know what you think, because the great thing about this product is it allows you to choose perfect color every time with confidence. Thank you.